Let's spin a disc.
What's good, family? How you guys doing? How you guys keeping? Welcome back to the Blessed Review, son. Trust you guys are doing okay. Now today, man, we got the good prophet of the Lord, Prophet Emmanuel Makandiwa, man, kind of going off at other YouTubers, man, that'd be critiquing, commenting, analyzing his sermons and posting all kinds of stuff, son. You know what I'm saying? Now, one thing about the prophet, man, one thing I realized, you be watching, man. You be watching all of us, man. You be watching what we'll be saying. You be watching what we'll be talking and all that type of stuff, man. You be watching, son. You be watching. So today, man, he's here, just addressing the whole situation with his accusers, his critics, the likes of Apostle Chiwenga, other YouTubers that be saying all kinds of stuff about his revelations and all that, man. You know what I'm saying? So hey, let's hear what the good prophet has to say. You know what I'm saying? So anyway, man, my name is Bliss. Remember to share, like, subscribe. I'll see you guys on the next one. And I'm out.
Some people say we manipulate people. They don't know how manipulate is done. They think we don't have that capacity. They think we don't know how. we have passed that test. We have passed that test. If I wanted to insult people, some of us, if you ask me, so what were you saved from? I can tell you because I know what I was saved from. Some of you don't know what you were saved from. Some of us, we know. I can live for years having people insulting me and I'm quiet. And they think they are more gifted in that area. My brother. I needed to be saved from that. Because if I make you a target and I sit on your case, you won't breathe again. I know what it takes to finish a man in 24 hours. I don't even go there because I was saved from that. And I see amateurs playing in that territory like they are professionals. If I close my Bible and I say, okay, now you are the message. Any man of God you can think of, we can do a trial run. I can finish all of your members. And it's not like the way they criticize men of God. No, they don't know what they're doing. Huku ikaundurwa zvakanaka uzive kuti anga ine makushere anga ine minhengere. Chaona chiri wrong chitaure. Chechi ino iri wrong pakati nepakati.
You've seen something wrong, say this church is wrong on this.
Unoshamisika kuti handimbokudzosere unonda kuti unoadjust. You'll be surprised
to find that we simply adjust.
Fair. Critics are
My critics are the ones that
enjoy their life because of what they have said and I went on to adjust. Adjustments. I'm becoming better every day.
Right?
Yes. People cannot keep on struggling, trying to find a good church. Tane ma YouTuber mangani. Ma YouTuber vanobuda vachi analyze ma church neku criticize.
How many come out and actually do vlogs where they criticize and analyze churches?
Those are guys that have found the proper formula. They know how to start the best church. I don't know what they intend
to start their own. People can now follow them. They
must false prophets that
were false prophets that lied to people. Now get off of YouTube. Start.
vese vari kuhilwa zvefeki uko ngavachinyasoya vahiliwe.
All of those people that have been receiving fake healings can now come and receive the genuine.
How is it that God can give you all these secrets? You now know how to run a ministry, what should not be done by a man of God, and you are not one. Who gives you all those insights? God. But when God gave it to you, maybe he wanted you to start a pure one. Just trying to help you. Maybe you have a calling, for sure. You now have a list of things. A man of God should never say this. A man of God cannot do this. A man of God cannot do this. Okay, thank you. Say, where are we meeting on Monday and on Sunday and on Wednesday? We can witness a proper man of God who knows what needs to be done. Where are you? If it's a ministry, you can't be waiting for one man to say something and then you come out. And you wait for him to say something and then you come out. And then he says something and then you come out. No, you come out first. Go ahead and teach people pure doctrine. This is what God is saying. This is what God is saying. And people like us, then we have to come after you. People like us, then we come after you. Then you know you have a ministry.